Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Finally, let's take a look at the gold market. We haven't taken a look at it for a few sessions. First, guys, just don't forget about Japanese yen. So yesterday we have talked about the Japanese yen. I briefly will show you the chart of the Japanese yen. So take a look at the hourly picture. So you can see our stuff has been completed perfectly. Market indeed has dropped recently, has hit the OP target of this ABCD, complete the reversal butterfly. So now we could take a look at the daily chart and just keep an eye on the possible starting to form the right arm of the hand shoulders here on the daily in Japanese yen. Also, if you're a scalp trader, you trade on the intraday charts, you could keep an eye on the possible bullish reversal patterns. Some could be formed here, maybe, so could give you a chance for taking the scalp long position at the same target. So now on the gold market. On the gold market, guys, if you remember our last discussion, we have talked about the minor bounce here with the next expectation of the dropping to the XLP. This expectation is based on some background that we have talked about very often, so I will not repeat it again, but mostly just because some mechanics of the price actions, inability market to continue move higher, and some acceleration, minor action on the OP, just free retracement, fast drop here. That's why we said that most probable scenario is that forming the harmonic swing, and that has been done, and after that downward continuation. So to push market high to the 1320, 1323, it needs some additional driving factor that we don't have right now. That's why our primary scenario was just retracement to the 1305, and less probable scenario is the continuation to the 1320. So you can see on the daily chart, market completed our harmonic swing, now is turning down and has formed this high wave pattern. The high wave pattern is very important, guys, in the current situation, because depending on the direction of the breakout of the range of this pattern, we will get the direction. So if market somehow, maybe on non-farm payrolls report, for example, if it will jump higher here and take it out of this top, this will increase chance to the upward continuation to the 1320. It means that another leg here could be done and we will get a kind of the A, B, C, D pattern retracement. While dropping below these lows will increase chance to downward continuation. And the next destination point here is the 2062. It's the XOP target of our major A, B, C top pattern. It will not be achieved just by the single leg, because you can see here we have the oversold, we have the gap, unfilled gap here, so some support here will be provided probably around 1275. But sooner or later, but market, if it will drop here, it should continue to move lower. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we also have more bearish signs rather than bullish, because so here we have minor ABCD pattern in the same direction with the same target, as you know, the 1262. Take a look at the recent action. So market has retested these lows and multiple bearish grabbers have been formed. So it means that market could drop here further. What is also interesting with this drop, guys, with this plunge, is that down leg usually stands in 1618 extension to the retracement. Here is a bit more extended leg, but mostly it also stands, if we'll not take in the spike, this spike to the upside, use this, so you can see approximately 1618. So this leg stands 1618 from that one, and here, guys, it's 1618, also could become as 1262. This leg coincides with the major target on the daily, on the 4-hour time frame chart as well. On the hourly chart, the price action that we see, recall our ABCD pattern, and if you remember, we have talked about the possible upward action to the XOP. if market will be able to form some kind of the ABC reaction and starts upward action. And indeed, this has started. So attempt has been made by the market. You can see as retracement, it's completion of the OP butterfly retracement has happened. This was the 3-8, and take a look. Market was able to hold above this consolidation. This is good sign. So till this moment, everything was very good. Retracement, ability to hold above the consolidation, starting of the upward action. But at that moment, situation has changed because market wasn't able to continue upward action. And from the normal market mechanics, this is not rational behavior, irrational behavior, because major retracement already has been done as reaction on the resistance reaction on the target. It means that this one is the extension mode and market stands in the upward continuation to the XOP. But some barriers have appeared for the market here and it has collapsed down. And in general, it turns to the whipsaw action that is not very good. Mostly, this is kind of a sign of the weakness rather than strength of the market. It's an ability of the market to proceed to the XOP. That's why my opinion, guys, is that chances stands more in favor of the bears. So overall price action looks a bit more bearish than the bullish. But as market still holds above this consolidation, holds above these lows, it still has theoretical chance of the upward continuation. Because here, guys, we could get, for example, the butterfly with the 1618 target right at around the XOP, and market could continue to move higher because market stands above these lows. And once again, we are turning back to our high wave pattern. So it will depend on the direction. So breakout of these lows will mean the downward continuation and acceleration first to 1275, after that the 1262, holding above these lows, starting move action, upward action, taking out stop will mean the upward continuation to the 1315 or even returning back to the 1320. That's also possible. But currently, inability of the market to proceed higher with this above this harmonic swing, some irrational stop with no barriers actually, and turning down. This is not good for gold market, and also appearing of these multiple bearish grabbers also is not good. That's why my opinion is that just bears have a bit some advantage, but we need to wait the final breakout either these lows or this stop. So resolving a riddle with this high wave pattern on the daily chart.